Welcome back to the Appy job portal series. The dashboard pulls everything together: your KPIs, latest activity, and quick links into each section. For cards at the top: jobs, applied users, job seekers, and job providers. Below them, latest jobs lists what you've posted, with application counts. Popular jobs ranks the same listings by application volume. And latest applied jobs shows recent applicant activity with dates. View all jobs jumps straight to manage jobs. All your active listings, ready to edit, duplicate, or take down. Back on the dashboard, hit View All under Latest Applied Jobs. That opens the Applied Users page, every application across every job, with status at a glance. That's the dashboard, your control center for the Appy job portal.